Throughout Prelim Finance, I learned tangible and intangible tourism and cultural heritage. I've gained a deeper appreciation for how these two aspects of culture are connected. Tangible heritage, such as historical landmarks, monuments, and artifacts, represent the physical evidence of a culture. However, I've learned that preserving these sites require more than just maintaining their structures. It's about understanding their historical significance and protecting them from the pressures of tourism. On the other hand, intangible heritage includes traditions, rituals, languages, and art forms that are passed down through generations. These living expressions are just as vital, as they give context and meaning to tangible heritage. I've come to realize that tourism plays a complex role both preserving and potentially endangering cultural heritage. While tourism can bring economic benefits and raise awareness, it also runs the risk of commodifying culture. Responsible tourism, however, can help maintain a balance by respecting local traditions and supporting sustainable practices. And ultimately, both tangible and intangible heritage are crucial to understanding and appreciating cultural identities, and it's our collective responsibility to preserve them for future generations. What I've learned is that cultural heritage, both tangible and intangible, is not just something of the past. It is alive, evolving, and deeply intertwined with how we experience the world today. As travelers and as stewards of this heritage, it is our responsibility to appreciate, preserve, and respect the cultures and traditions we encounter. The key is to remember that heritage is not just for us to witness, but for us to pass on.